Good morning, guys. Welcome to another vlog. Today, Jess and I are heading out for the weekend. We are going to spend the weekend down at my mother-in-law's, down at Barnegat, New Jersey, down on the beach at her beach house. We are so excited. So today the plan is to get down there, change into my bathing suit, and I'm meeting my sister-in-law. We're going to spend the day at the pool. We're going to play some shuffleboard, some bocce. Who knows what else? We might see a show tonight, all of us as a family at the theater. It's so exciting. Can't wait. I need to get away. And it is, look at this sky. Clear blue sky. The weather for the weekend is supposed to be about 80 degrees, bright sunshine. We don't know what the day is going to bring. I'm telling you what I would like to do, but let's see what happens. Tomorrow we may be renting a boat. We may be going out on the ocean. We're going to go to the beach. We're going to go play miniature golf. We have just like a ton of stuff that we want to do this weekend. So I wanted to bring you along. Let me show you, unless Jess already packed. I don't know. We're taking the actual van today. We're not going to take my Jeep. We're not going to bring Jess's truck. We're taking the work van because it houses a lot of extra space. The dogs are staying home with Britt. So in the back of the van today, we're bringing down a lot of, Jess does a lot of ocean fishing. So he's bringing a lot of fishing poles, a lot of his gear and all that other stuff. And we're gonna leave it at the beach house. So this way, whenever we go down, it's already there and we don't have to bring it back and forth, which helps out so much. He may have already put everything that I packed in there. I'm not really sure if he did or not. If he did, we'll show you later. You might not even be interested in it. Regardless, we are heading down to the Jersey Shore and I'm bringing you along. Let's go. The bento boxes that I was talking about, I didn't get back in time for the weekend. So I went out last night and I grabbed this. I got this at Marshall's. It's made out of, what's really, I think, interesting the most is it's made out of husk fiber. So there's no plastic other than this little top piece. I kept the label on it. Here's what it looks like. There's 3 compartments in there, and it also has a fork and a spoon and a knife. So this way, if I'm sitting at the pool and I want to bring some snacks, which I'm planning on bringing a little bit of fruit and maybe some vegetables, a little bit of cottage cheese or something in here. Let me open it up. I'm going to go wash it, but I wanted to show it to you first. So here's what it looks like. This, I'm pretty sure opens up, but how does that happen? So let me open the actual box first. So here's the inside, nice 3 compartments. You could put a sandwich in here. You could fill it up with salad and put a little bit of tuna or pickles, or like you could literally do anything. I could even make my little cottage cheese bowl, right? And put some veggies in here just to like, or Quest chips even to scoop it out with. I thought that was so cool. Now how in the world, oh, okay. Easy. You just take that off. And this one does not have a knife. I apologize. So there is a spoon and a little fork. I think this is fabulous. I love it. And I don't see any rubber in here because you see this rubber in here? I had one of these that I was gifted from one of my employees, and for whatever reason, if it was the moisture or what, when I took this out to really scrub it, there was black mold on the rubber. So be very careful. When you wash these, make sure they're very dry. You could even take these little rubber sealing things out and wash it individually. But anyway, so that goes on top. And I'm going to go fill it up. And actually, look, here's the sticker. I have to take it off because I haven't washed it yet. But look, $7.99. I thought that was a good deal. The ones I ordered from Amazon are, you know, the typical meal prep containers. They're like black with a clear lid. They're very similar to that, but a little bit more heavy duty with the lids. That's it. So there's no rubber gasket to keep around it, and then therefore there's no mold potential. So anyway, I'm going to go wash this and bring it with me. Maybe we'll fill it up. Let's see. Let me do that. Jess is in the shower and then we're heading out of here. It takes so long to get out of the house sometimes. have another 20 minutes until we're there. I just wanted to show you, Jess just ran into a rest stop to use the bathroom, but I'm having a bag, or I should say I had a bag of Quest chips. This is gonna be like a little bit of a lunch for me, and been drinking my water. So for whatever reason, I don't have to go to the bathroom, his bladder, because he drank a very big coffee. I'm very good with monitoring fluids on a long car ride. So I'm good. I'll make it for another 20 minutes. And my sister-in-law, my brother-in-law, they're already at the pool. So when we get there, I'm gonna change and head over there so I can spend some time. I think Jess might come to the pool too. Anyway, that's the scoop. We did get her, I want to show you, I got her a thank you gift for having us this weekend. Let me show you what I got. All right, so I got her the cutest mat. It says, "So glad you're here." This is from Target because her house, this big beach house, she calls it her little family bed and breakfast. So family is welcome anytime. And then I also have behind me buried is a big gift bag. I bought her 2 coffee mugs, one with the name, or one with the initial M, because her nickname for her bed and breakfast is Mabel. So I got her an M mug, and her boyfriend Peter, his nickname is George, so I got him a mug with the letter G on it. So I was just telling everybody some of the gifts we got Mom and Peter.
Oh, lovely.
Yes. So, all right, we have 20 minutes left. We'll see you over there. M for Mabel, G for George. Yeah, it's on both sides. Yes. Enjoy them.
We will.
Thank you so much for having us.
Oh,
let George know. Go show George. Go tell George.
That's the dinner music note.
George, you say cold beer.
George, come get your cornbread.
Come and get it.
Come and get your baby pudding.
If baby breakfast, come get it. You can call your folks. Call them every morning. You let them know.
Funny. Tonight's choice is it. Take it or leave it.
All right, so we are here. I have my bathing suit on. I have my kimono. I have flip-flops, water, beach bag. I am ready. I'm getting a ride. Jess is bringing me because here's how to get to the pool. You go all the way down there. You could walk there, but we have a dinner reservation at 7. So I want to spend a few hours there. So he's going to drop me off. And then from there, he's just going to run to the bay and do a little bit of fishing. So let me close that. So I just had one of those protein shakes just to keep me going. And I have my water with me and the bag. All right, we'll see you at the pool. It is beautiful here. The water's nice. And I'm sitting under one of these. Here's behind me. I'm gonna turn you around and show you the clubhouse. So I decided to walk back. Jess is still fishing and I want to check out the place. So I'm going to go for a little walk and I want to show you some of what I'm looking at. It's so pretty, guys.